What is going on, YouTube? It's been a little while. Sorry, it's been a little hectic, pretty busy. We are on our way to go pick up my buddy Scott. I don't know if you guys remember him from last year, but it is 2018, it is February, and it is time to go pick up some deer sheds. So both of us are really stoked. We're gonna do a lot of recon to try to figure out where the elk are located. And if we can find them, we'll back out, but we're just trying to get a better grasp on where them big bulls are going to be dropping. So here we go. It's supposed to snow on us this whole weekend. We're supposed to get like 12 inches of snow. So it says later this afternoon we're supposed to be getting 1 to 3 inches, but we're in Montana. It can change anytime. So stay tuned, you guys will be there shortly. It'll take you guys about a second, so I will. Sorry, trying to drive here, and yeah, probably not the best thing to be vlogging and driving, so. But anyways, we're on our way. You guys will be there in a second, and we'll see you there. What is up, everybody? We finally made it, and the whiteout is here also. So, here we go. I don't know if this camera's gonna focus or not. Focus. There it is. So I don't know, what are we? 3/4 of a mile, half a mile into this? And all of the tracks, deer tracks and everything we've seen, we haven't cut. We might have cut an elk track, we don't know. We're covered up, so if it was an old one. We're 1/4 of a mile away from the pickup. The further we get in, there ain't nothing. So we're gonna head down this drainage, kind of cut back towards the truck. If we find a nice game trail, we're just gonna follow it for a while. What do you think? All right, come on, Rican. Oh, you're right next to me. And of course, you got the star of the show. Come on, Rican. Yeah. Here we go, we'll keep you guys posted. What's going on, everybody? So, little update. Came down through this bottom and we found a bunch of elk tracks. Not a bunch like there's a bunch of cows. Right. Almost like there's a bachelor group of bulls. Yeah. Only, what, 6 or 8, right. Maybe 10 elk coming through there. So we kind of left it undisturbed. Hopefully they'll keep using this path. But we're out wandering. So we're gonna try. We're looking through all this nonsense right now, trying to find a whitey shed or something. So we're gonna go back to the truck. And I think a good game plan is maybe try to find a creek bottom on Forest that we can walk and see if we can't find a whitey shed or two. Supposedly all the whitetail have dropped. My guess is if they've dropped, the muleys are dropping or have already dropped as well. There's not enough snow on the ground. If they did drop within the last week, they're gonna be sitting on top of the snow. It is a whiteout, but we haven't accumulated a lot yet, have we? I mean, it hasn't been an inch maybe, yeah. So, elk won't shed for another month and a half. But we gotta get out. This is just a, I mean, and I really didn't expect it to be a blizzard today. I knew it was gonna snow, but didn't know it'd be a whiteout this early in the morning. So anyways, we'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully we get on the board 2018 right off the bat.